thank you. The truth is I didn't expect this award at all. It came to me as a surprise and I'm really honored and delighted and grateful because it comes from the Géant community and this community is very special for me. Let me tell you why. I have always liked the idea of having the opportunity to improve the world through our actions, and I strongly believe the Géant community is improving the world, helping research, helping education through commitment and dedication, so thanks for being there to improve the world. Thank you to the CSUC community, to the CSUC folks. In this hyper-connected world today, if the network doesn't work, nothing works, and you're always there to make it work. And also to share experiences and collaborate. This is also something I like very much about this community, this will to collaborate, because this is something you don't find in other environments. Thank you to the CSUC steering committee members, to the former ones and the ones that are today there dynamizing the group too. Thank you to the creative people at the network and performing arts production world. Thanks for reminding us the network has a soul too, and we can just have culture and events through the network and having a great collaboration from different places together too. Thank you to the Géant and Géant project guys for working enthusiastically to improve the network and the services every day. Thank you to the entrants and especially to Rediris, to the friends at Rediris that work tirelessly with a smile on their faces to collaborate with the community. Thanks to my colleagues at the Consortium of Services for the Universities in Catalonia, to CSUC, and also to all the members of Anella Científica, because we strongly believe in this collaboration and we also like the idea of having this efficiency improved and this efficacy for the university and the research. And finally, thank you to my family. I wouldn't be here today without you. You're always there supporting me. Thank you very much. This award is also yours. Guys, I would love to be there with you today at TNC. Unfortunately, this is not possible, but I hope we will be able to meet again next year live. Take care in the meantime and see you soon.